Okay, my name is Richard. I came to Puerto Vallarta for knee surgery for damaged meniscus, for the orthoscopy with Dr. Max Greig and his assistant Francisco, Dr. Francisco. And today is Wednesday, and my surgery was on
yesterday.
It was on Tuesday, and everything went smooth. And we're in the beautiful private hospital right now. We had to spend the night, Yasmin and I, and nothing but good things to say about everything.
You feel like a king and queen in here. We really appreciate it for you guys, for the hospital. Everything was excellent. Everything is excellent.
Yeah, great care. Dr. Francisco just changed my bandages the day after.
And he's walking without pain?
Yeah, I'm walking. I just have a cane for some assistance, and it's only been 1 day, so yeah, I really
recommended
appreciate
this
it.
place
Really
very well.
appreciate it, you guys. Yeah.
Thank you.